Well, plenty of strong storms moved through southeast Louisiana today, dropping 2 to 5 inches of rain in some spots. These were very strong storms, the ones that you can hear, and producing up to 100 strikes per minute. We are dry as we head into the overnight hours and will continue to stay dry and calm. A look at the city right now looks fairly nice. Current temperatures in the 70s for all of us here, but storms move through once again tomorrow, and some could be strong. We're not expecting as much widespread rain. We're just expecting isolated storms, but these storms could pack a punch. In the next 7 days, temperatures stay in the low to mid 90s by Thursday and Friday. That is because rain chances bump back down towards the end of the week. So this is what to expect with rain this upcoming week. I know we have a rain chance each and every day, 60% for Monday and Tuesday. These are higher rain chances for more widespread and those stronger storms. Then come midweek, we start to have a ridge of high pressure build back in closer to southeast Louisiana. That's going to help us with southerly flow and just seeing those afternoon isolated summertime showers and storms that last throughout the end of the week. And then we go back to 60% by Saturday or by Sunday. So here's a look at the HRRR model. We are going to start to see storms firing off, especially along the coast closer to Grand Isle early morning tomorrow, and then we'll start to see more storms, especially near Houma. The models are not agreeing exactly on where these storms fire up, but we have enough moisture and we have enough energy in the atmosphere for storms to really blossom tomorrow, and some could be fairly strong. So something to keep in mind for your afternoon tomorrow. We rinse and repeat Tuesday. Once again, not widespread rain where you see rain all across the map, but some of these storms could be very strong, producing heavy rainfall in a short amount of time. Those gusty winds that can knock stuff over 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and then the frequent lightning. So something to keep in mind for your Monday and Tuesday, expecting more widespread rain. A look at the tropics. Now we're entering early July, not expecting any tropical development in the next 7 days, but we'll keep our eye on it as always. Saharan dust moving in by next weekend. That's when we're expecting that plume to move in, and we'll see those hazier sunsets. Temperatures across the country, a very, very large travel day today, and it was warm across the country over towards the west coast. 70 degrees. What a high temperature. I would love for it to be 70 degrees here. 104 and 110, Las Vegas and Phoenix. Closer to the East Coast in the 100s, the triple digits on the East Coast. 76 in Chicago. That's because they were dealing with storms. 93 here in New Orleans as our high temperature. And a lot of rain. You can see especially storms falling to the south due to that trough that is in the upper atmosphere. Washington up towards New York dealing with strong storms. So across the country, we're dealing with some pretty active weather throughout the day today to end the holiday weekend. So I'm putting a first alert for Monday just because some of those afternoon downpours could be strong. Once again, not expecting complete washout of rain like we saw today, but some of those storms could be strong to even severe. Tuesday, expecting more afternoon storms once again. And then by Wednesday, that is when we enter that summertime pattern where we have warm and humid conditions with just isolated afternoon downpours. So one more day with the rain, Jennifer, with the more intense rain, I guess you could say, after a very intense day today with the weather.
A very intense day, and